Hi, this is Tutor Nick P, and this is Verb Phrase 547. Verb phrase today is to say when. Okay, somebody wants a screenshot, do it right now. Let's go right to it. Say when is typically used as an imperative. Remember, an imperative is when you order someone to do this thing. All right, as an imperative, in order to tell someone to stop pouring or filling some container with something. Most often it is pouring a liquid, but it could be a powder, it could be other things as well. By extension, say when can be used when one wants another person to express when one should stop doing a particular thing. All right, let's continue. The correct response to say when could simply be when. That's enough, that's good, that's about right, etc. So you have a few choices. And we got 4 examples here to show just how to use it. Here's the first one. A says, I'm going to pour the syrup on your pancakes. Say when. And B simply says, when? Thanks. So right at the time that he wanted him to stop, he said, when. All right, number 2, A says, I am putting your milk in this tall glass. I don't know how much you want. Say when. And of course, when they got to that point, he just answered, that's good. That's enough. Thanks. So you don't always have to just say when. Okay. Number 3, I'm pouring the gravy on your mashed potatoes. Say when. And B simply says, that's enough. And number 4, don't push them too far. You need to know when to say when. So we're using it in, not directly as an imperative here, but just to say when, meaning to know when to stop. If you go overboard, they may give up and quit. Okay, anyway, I hope you got it. Hope it was clear. I hope it was very informative. Thank you for your time. Bye-bye.